Okay, right here. Today Sunday, Super Bowl day. Super Bowl
I see a
day.
car. I see like a shadow.
Yeah, we have a free
Oh, no,
time
it's fine.
and
It's
take
just
it
like,
to driving lesson. Kylene, she only 14, illegal to drive, but anyway, she can practice. We practiced at Rainview High School. Oh, my big girl, my little girl now. Maybe next year they can drive me to Florida with my new car.
oh yeah, with your new car.
Yep, right. Yeah, I think new car don't need you to drive.
Yeah, just drives itself. Cold. Can you roll up
Oh,
the
it's
window?
cold?
Sorry.
Okay.
I don't know. It's so hot. The sun's always in my face.
You can put it down a little bit. Hey,
Where's all
Kylene
the
driving.
hairstyles? I have not heard a hairstyle song.
Yeah, Kylene driving. She looks so serious. That's what I'm looking for. Driving is not the thing that she joking.
That was kind of a good turn, Dad. Not gonna lie.
That's good. Oh. Wow, Kylene drive very good.
I feel like I like the highway. I don't know. I feel like I just would.
Yeah, when you get used to it, you can go faster, see? Now you
I
can
like
get
driving
used to the
slow.
car, now you can go easier to control.